Hello. I'm going to do a quick video today because I've lost my mojo slightly. I just wanted to do a quick video about paranoia and the throat chakra. And yesterday I was very vulnerable, I suppose, and I shared a very, almost, I'm using negative words today. Silly, I was going to use. Story, without using big scientific words. I went into depth in a very personal way about myself and opened up. Yeah, I've woke up this morning feeling nervous, and judging myself. One thing I am pleased about is my daughters seem really encouraging on me. Not that they've watched the whole of that silly video, but they seem really encouraging on me being sharing. But I'm facing blockages. Oh God, I thought that was a door then. So paranoid. Today I feel like going into a shell. I'm a Cancer star sign, and I just feel vulnerable, but it is okay, and it's less than I used to feel. But the blocks still come up. Like maybe before I might have actually had heart palpitations, might have even deleted the video, well before I wouldn't have even done a video like that. There was a time when my throat chakra was so closed from when it was very open as a teen. It did close quite a bit when I reached my teens, and I was just trying to be different people constantly and fitting in, and I'd find I was like, whenever I'd see people and have nothing to say, like big silent gaps and maybe twitching face, just all of the feelings to be alone. I used to think I couldn't handle a conversation, even think about what to say in a conversation. So just take note that when you make jumps to open your throat, sometimes it wants to close, but you do climb it like a mountain. And the more you face the fears and the more you speak, the more it opens. I did quite a lot of throat chakra opening through singing, and I've always wanted to sing but was holding back. Because I'm not actually the best singer in the world, and same with the dancing, but I wanted to. It was definitely in me, and I felt so much better connecting with my singing and my dancing and not being talking negative to myself. So today I've noted that I feel a bit vulnerable. I feel like maybe I'm worried that local people might hear this story, and I also deal with a lot of mum guilt. I want to be normal for my children, and especially because I live in a little village with lots of normal people. So it's just about taking a step to be vulnerable, but also just knowing that it gets easier every time you are vulnerable, and don't push yourself if it doesn't want to come out, because I wouldn't have been able to talk about anything a few years ago. So it's just about taking notes, taking a breath, and just do not be your fears, and notice that it's probably just your mind trying to keep you safe again and saying, no, you've made a mistake and you don't want to be doing this. But stick with your guns, and don't be ashamed for sharing your truth. And yeah, don't invade the internet with rubbish. No, cheers, and have a great weekend. I think I'm actually going to go up to the Tor actually today for a walk and fish and chips. I don't know if that really brings my vibration down, because I eat fish and chips before I go up there, but I'm sure we can work on that one day. I'm sure someone will tell me that I'm heavily messing with my energy eating chips before I go up there. I don't know, but cheers. I might do a little video up there later, and have a nice day, and keep being yourself, even if it is a bit weird, even if it is crazy, and you know that so many people are going to think, bloody hell, like she's absolutely rocker. I know that it's not nuts, no, you're not nuts. Just don't question yourself. It does feel like you're speaking to yourself when you're doing these videos. I don't know if anyone else has noticed that. It's a bit odd, but always learn to speak to yourself, you know. It's okay. Cheers. Keep yourselves open, guys.